Hello! Is this a new vlog, a new day, a new life? A new life. My skin is really bad. Whoa, someone's texting me. But we're going to North Bay and I vlogged the past like 4 years of going there. 4 years. But I don't really like the vlog, so I'm trying to make a comeback and actually try to vlog. So I will be trying to vlog. We're gonna be picking up Bernadette at work at 5.
He calls her Bernadette.
My older sister, at work at 5.
No, her work ends at 6.
Oh, well, we're leaving at 5 and it is currently 4:42. That was really close to my face, wasn't it? And I'm sorry if my armpits are dark because they're dark and I have no boobs. But yeah, we going north. Dun 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 dun. What was that? Okay, I'm gonna go. Hey guys, it's golden hour. I look like a bird. It's a rainbow! What does it mean? Oh, I don't see it. It's right there!
Black pig is the revolution. Black pig is the revolution.
What day is it? It's 9 o'clock. Second day.
So it's cooked, right?
That's it. You're the one who's cooking.
I mean, I feel like it's already cooked. It's just that you have to warm it early.
I don't think so.
Do you think you should eat it out the fridge?
No. But you're saying that you could.
Oh.
The Last Shed Fly, a film.
Not to say it's a trashy area. Well, minus the shadfly plague.
We out here chilling. Joke, it's just you. Hi. Joy's over there. These slides are too small on me. A little bit of my sock is peering out and it's kind of getting wet. But it's aight. Look at my sister, she's so cute. The water usually goes all the way up to here. I don't know why there's no water. Joy, try to look cute.
What?
Nothing. There's a chair in the freaking ocean. I mean lake. The light where it shines on the sea. They call me. No one knows. Wow, such a photographer. Angela in her natural habitat. Is the water wet? I got my sock wet. I'm sad. Just playing with the sand. And there's like no one outside. I saw a little girl out here earlier with a dog. Maybe it was a ghost. Is this haunted? Are we haunted? So the duck went up, walked up to the lemonade stand, and he said to the man running the stand, "Hey, bum bum bum, got any grapes?" And then he was like, bye. Waddle, waddle, waddle. So the very next day, bum, 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 ba-da-dum. Yo, dude.
Cute.
We're gonna get copyrighted.
My lemonade stand. Duck.
Where's your lemonade stand? Where's your lemonade stand?
I lied, I don't have it.
And they waddled away. Waddle, waddle. There's a beautiful lake outside, but we're just playing Crazy 8 and I'm bleeding. Oh no, I was covering the mic this whole time. Let's do that again.
No.
Uno.
Go on.
I'm not playing any.
I just haven't won any games yet.
You know what? I used to be really good. Hey guys, wanna see my wallpaper? It's my friend Aries. Okay, I'm gonna go. Hello.
Hi.
So act cute, so I can make a really cute montage. Like flip your hair and stuff.
1더하기는 귀요미 2 더하기는 귀요미 3 더하기 3은 귀요미 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 4 더하기 4도 귀요미 5 더하기 5도 귀요미 6 더하기 6은 귀요미 귀요미
They're driving. Don't run us over. Oh my god. Oh. Okay, so we got a floaty that we will use later.
Then we're gonna
We
blow
have
it
a
up.
pump, so we're gonna attempt to be like PewDiePie and blow it up ourselves. So this is our progress so far.
My progress so far.
Hey, me
She
too.
helped a little bit.
Okay.
This does not look like this
Okay, we're done.
at all.
Yeah, it does.
It's done.
Then
think
you
I'll
blow
float.
it. We're out here. We have Senegal. Right. Say hi.
Tell them as well.
Hi!
What's this one called again? Forgot.
Oh, ito.
Joy.
Atin na to.
Oh, Aten. We're gonna go swimming. Ignore my armpit. We out here. We have Joy. He's being dragged now. Bye. We're gonna leave you.
Oh,
No, video. What are you doing?
she is cleaning inside the canoe.
There's so much spiders in here. I don't like spiders.
Well, that's yeah, that's here. Let me see.
Okay, so we're canoeing and we're gonna die. Wanna have some fun. Hey, we're going the wrong way. We're going this way. Water is so pretty. Yeah! I panicked too much. Oh my god, there's like waves coming. I just don't want to end up like Dominics. Like.
which caused these big-ass waves to form and devour us. It was over. We capsized.
It's really shallow, and I don't know how to swim. I don't know if it's I'm the only one that's panicking here.
Look, we're so far.
EXO. What are we eating tomorrow? I think we're just going to church and then maybe like walking around. Oh! EXO. Okay, here's the current situation. We are stuck in like really shallow water and now we are wet. I have to get out! I have to get out. Get out and push us! Sorry, my laugh is so ugly, I hate it. Wait, I'm losing my down. Here, I love if we get stuck again. Look at those kids over there. It's running and we're just like stuck. Okay, we're heading back. Daddy's there with his camera. Taking a walk. I want his camera. She wants his camera. We're walking to the park. It's like 1.5 kilometers away. Meh.
No, thank you.
Take the bus. Hello. We out here.
I left them out.
No, you just put it on my face.
Oh wait, I thought I was recording.
Stay gold, pony boy.
Oh.
That over there is my aunt and uncle. They're riding together away on a scooter instead of a horse. But it's okay. We're so far. Kilometer per hour. Hey! Where you guys going? Careful. There's cracks. How much is your tricycle? I will pay you for a ride. Uber. Use my code.
Your Uber has arrived.
No, use your code. Berna.
This is my new
For 20%
vehicle from Mario
off.
Kart.
Huh?
This is my new vehicle from Mario Kart.
Oh.
Joshua, watch out. Nigel, watch out.
Mommy's gonna laugh when she sees this. Hello.
Three of them there, so Karina will start they might go to the boat. Everything is open. It's not really closed. Even it's full.
Well, not the next holiday.
There's no
Nobody in there.
the things there.
We did, yeah. It's a little bit.
Oh, by the way, the marketing tank is all hooked up.
It's a grand time. Sick. I think he's sneezing.
That's a little piece. Yeah.
Food. What's
Thank
this?
you.
Salad. Got ribs.
Good rice.
Vegetables. Bangos.
Oh, that's the rice.
We're out here chilling. Oh, and he was asking if we were canoeing yesterday, so he was sauce chocolate. Oh, that's totally why. We're here. After you're so short. What happened?
Oh, it's because my braid is all you guys are gone. It's still underneath. I feel like if someone would touch me, I would fall. No, I don't even think about it.
What are we doing?
Dun, dun, dun. We can go further in.
I know.
Because the waves are gonna like go higher. Whoa, I feel so tall now.
Okay. I'm gonna get it. Don't get far. I always get cramps with my foot. What? What's so neat? Water is like not cold. Remember it being cold like all the time. Remember it being cold? It's not cold. Oh, it's only part of the camp. The jungle, he said. The jungle. Actually, you can drive.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah, so Bernadette can drive, and so can this one.
Me. Driving's
Yeah.
scary.
Well, when it comes time for your license, come up here. It's a lot better than 3 years. DO engine can build up oil pressure and
Is the AC on?
Yeah, that's our sister. She told us to close it.
Yeah.
I can't. Video to my dog again. He farted! Ew! Daddy farted!
Huh? What?
You farted!
No, not me.
Who was it? It was you!
Joy?
What? Me?
No, it's just his feet.
Bye! There's a car on our right. Bye! Thank you!
Ew, he's like.
Covering his nose.
We're heading home.
Not allowed.
It's so hot. There's like a heat warning. We were gonna go swimming, but we didn't have time.
The water was so nice. We put our water in the
Our water in the water.
our water in the water.
Our feet in the water.
Just like you. Is water wet? I feel like that's myself.
Wake me up, wake me up, wake me up when you come back. I'll be here, I'll be waiting here for you.
That's it. You're a queen. Update, we're like past Barry. I don't really know where we are. It is 7:32. Oh, look at Joy's home screen. It's hella cute. Oh, it looks like it was taken by the Whistler. I use Snap Maps to see where we are. And we are wherever this is. Oh, oops. Ew! Trash. We're listening to sad country songs because we're Canadian. What song is this? It's called Iris by the Goo Goo Dolls. This is an iconic song for road trips and old people like us. It probably looks super trash. This song makes me sad. Don't want the world to see me, that everything is meant to be broken. Your nails singing. I'm sorry, they're not my nails. Acrylic.
And you can't fight the tears that ain't coming. All the moment of truth in your lies. When everything feels like the movies. Yeah, you bleed just to